Whoa. You know I'm straight for the I sit back and I live. I know you ain't never ever had my beach. Girl, you so toxic, chocolate.
Oh! Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, we got the M8 competition Grand Coupe up there, and I am in the M5 competition. Both technically are considered F90s. I have an F90 and he has F93, which is the Grand Coupe edition. And bro, these are damn near the same car, bro. Like, damn near the same car, bro. I'm gonna be 100% honest. The gear ratio on that is a little different, but yeah, we talking about damn near the same car. We in 4 high. I'm gonna put her in 2-wheel drive right now. So the only other mod besides, the only mod difference between the two is that has intakes and this doesn't. But this is an LCI, and that is, I mean, I don't know if M8 went through an LCI phase or not, but people say they did, but I don't know. Honestly, I don't think they did, but yeah, 2020. This is 2021. I don't know if he in 2-wheel drive or he in 4-wheel drive. I don't even care, honestly. Shit. It's so hot outside, bro. 2-wheel drive, I'll hook up just fine. God, the M8 is so sleek. I don't know why that word just fits that car. That's just the best word to fit that car, yeah. The sleekness. Yeah, let me know in the comment section which one would you... Huh? Y'all rather have the Grand Coupe M8 competition, or would y'all rather have the sedan M5 F90 competition? Let me know which one y'all would much rather prefer, M5 or M8. Like I said, cars are very identical, so really can't tell the difference between the two. But as far as performance wise, we noticed that has a different gear ratio than this. The lower gears in that is more aggressive than the gears in here. So this has smaller gears. So up top, this car is supposed to be faster. That car also weighs 200 to 300 pounds more depending on gas. Oh, fuck. Put me in the fucking gravel, huh? I've been looking for one of them shits all day. Oh, I hear it now. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Y'all just seen police lights up there. Oh, hell no, I'm going. I just seen cop lights up there, I'm going. Fuck no. I just seen police lights up there. Fuck no, I'm going. Yo.
You see them blue lights?
I did. That's why I left.
I saw you too.
Did he,
I said, what the fuck?
so he ain't pull nobody?
No.
I seen him, but I didn't see
It
him.
look like he can't look for you.
He went past you?
Yeah, he went past me.
For real?
Hell yeah.
What did he say?
Shit, well, I'm ducked off. He damn sure ain't gonna find me.
Yeah, if you'd have stopped me, I'd have said, man, I was trying to get over because I don't know who that car was. But I ain't see that motherfucker though. I saw the lights. I said, what the fuck?
I seen some lights too. And I looked up, I said, fuck no. Oh, I just see you. I just passed you. Nah, damn. I'm ducked off. I was to your right. I'm finna pull up on you. You see me pulling up?
I ain't see that.
You know where them school buses was at?
Yeah.
I was back there.
Yeah. Okay.
I went back there. I see you now. You riding behind a black Lexus behind you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, where the hell can't go, Tank?
I don't know. I damn sure would like to find his ass though.
Me too. I started to just go get him.
I would have jumped on his ass. I've been looking for one of them bitches for all day long. It won't nothing but scat packs. Alright, y'all, so before we was rudely interrupted, we yeah. Honestly, if you ask me which one I like driving better, I'll probably say that's a good one, bro. They ask me, y'all, a lot of y'all ask me like which one you like better. To be honest, bro, I really don't know. Honestly, I like the comfortability of this. Like, this got the massaging seats. The M8 don't. The M8 has like a more aggressive gear ratio down low, so it feels more torquey. So I like the fact of that. But top speed, I haven't really got these cars up to top speed to really say which one I prefer the best. But I don't know who the fuck this is. They gonna have to wait. Yeah, they gonna just have to wait. Man, I don't even know who that is. Yeah, these cars are absolutely fun as shit to drive though. None of my Hellcats gave me the feeling that this car gives me, so definitely a good sign from this car. Both of these are getting downpipes soon, very soon. So, got another downpipes is finna go crazy. But really, when it comes down to like racing these two cars, bro, it's really just whoever leaves first. There he go right there. We just went to that nigga's store. just passed this store. He wasn't even there. $30 miles of range left. Gotta love that message. Gots to love that message. Take the outside lane. Take the outside lane. I'm gonna take the outside line. Fuck it. I'm taking the outside line. You can suck my dick. Bro, look at that beautiful piece of machinery back there. What? Oh my God. That's some artwork right there. This stupid GMC been behind me for so long. Oh my God! Jesus! Now those intakes make a... Bro, those intakes make a hell of a difference. I know I feel it. Whoa, what happened? They make a difference for sure. They make the world of a difference. Give me a fucking thumbnail. Got our little thumbnail and shit. We good to go, gang. 4-wheel drive. Wait, we gotta go before them cars come out. Fuck that. Oh, they coming too. I need to put some intakes on this joint ASAP, bro.